Hey everybody, it's 123 Mr. B here, on with our breaking math system of kicking math's butt. We are on the time sign. I have to say but because there might be young ears listening. Okay, here we go. Breakdown multiplication using two numbers being broke down. Two numbers. So here I am given something like this. I could do it the long way, or I could find a piece of cake simple way. All I have to think about is what numbers are these close to that I'd much rather deal with. And I'm thinking to myself, well, 19 is much closer to 20. And 21 is much closer to 20 as well. So instead of suffering through this, I can say, well, why don't I try this? If I know that 20 times 20 is 400, check it out. 2 times 2 equals 4. So 20 times 20 equals the same digit with 2 zeros bounced at the end. That's my first little thought balloon. If I know this is true, all I have to do is make little adjustments to get back to what I'm actually starting with. So 19 times 20, okay, if 20 times 20 is 400, and I need to get to 19, so why don't I start by doing that? I'm going to take away 1 and get my 19, and of course I'm going to keep my guts the same. This is why we build a system that we can transfer to all sorts of uses. Take away 1 times 20 equals take away 20. Okay, so 19 times 20 is then 380 because we can see that this is 380. All right, I'm going to do a little switcheroo here. If 20 times 19 is 380, we know it's true that order of multiplication does not matter. Then it follows that I already have my 19. Now I need to get my 21. I'm going to add 1 to this 20 to get my 21. So I'll have 20 plus 1 is 21. My guts stay the same. Again, that's the easy part. 1 times 19 is add 19. 380 plus 19 is simply 399. Poof. So right away, 19 times 21, I see as 399. Careful, some people believe that 20 times 20 is going to be the same as 19 times 21 because they say, well, you know, this is basically like I'm taking 1 from here and putting it there, so they should be the same answer, but it's false. We can see this is 400, and this is 399 here, 399 and 400, so we know they are not the same thing. That's just a side note. You don't have to, well, it could be on the test, just as long as you know that. The point being, we can take these ugly numbers, turn them into easy numbers, and then adjust our way back to the numbers we actually wanted. And then once we have that, we just make this little mental calculation at the end, and we're done. And this is how we can expand and do insanely huge multiplication with little to no effort.